Shri Kiran Rijiju inaugurated the project under PM Vikas Yojana at Gurudwara Sri Rakabganj Sahib. Minister of Minority Affairs and Parliamentary Affairs Shri Kiran Rijiju and Minister of Delhi Government Shri Manjinder Singh Sirsa launched Pradhan Mantri Virasat Ka Samvardhan, a project under PM Vikas Yojana, after paying obeisance at Gurudwara Sri Rakabganj Sahib Ji in New Delhi on 29th March 2025. The PM Vikas Yojana aims to empower the minority community through skill development, employment generation, and financial assistance. The project will be implemented by the Delhi Sikh Gurudwara Management Committee DSGMC in Delhi. A total of 31,600 youths will benefit from this project, out of which 29,600 youths will be provided skill training and 2,000 youths will be provided educational assistance.
ये दिल्ली में जो आज मॉडल जो हमने अपनाया है, जो MOU साइन किया है, ऐसा मॉडल पंजाब में हो और कहीं और भी हो, जहां सिखों का पॉपुलेशन है, जहां सिखों का कम्युनिटी जिस भी जगह में है हिंदुस्तान के अंदर में, वहां भी इस तरह का कार्यक्रम को आगे ले जाने का हम प्रयास करेंगे। और मैं खास करके दिल्ली सिख गुरुद्वारा मैनेजमेंट कमेटी को अभिनंदन करना चाहता हूं। हमारा सोच को आपने इतना खूबसूरत आपने शेप दिया है, इस कार्यक्रम को आगे ले जाने के लिए जो आपने हमारा स्कीम को अपनाया है, इससे हजारों लाखों सिख जो युवा है उसको जिंदगी में बहुत बड़ा फल मिलने वाला है।
Ministry of Minority Affairs, Government of India has signed MOU with Delhi Sikh Gurudwara Management Committee DSGMC to undertake this project. DSGMC will also coordinate with the Delhi government for this initiative, which will not only provide training to the youths but will also provide stipend and financial assistance to the beneficiaries. This initiative will not only help in preserving the cultural heritage of the minority Sikh community but will also empower them economically. Under the PM Vikas Yojana, youths will be trained for industry-based jobs, including AI data scientists, 5G-based telecom technicians, AR/VR technical artists, graphic designers, and solar PV installers, etc. Additionally, employment opportunities will also be provided to the youth receiving skill training. This scheme is a strong step towards the economic and cultural development of the minority communities of the country. This initiative will not only preserve the rich heritage of India but will also take it to new heights at the global level.
अल्पसंख्यक कार्य मंत्रालय, भारत सरकार, भागीदारी से भाग्योदय।